America didn't plan for AI to take over its workforce. It just happened. One new algorithm, one new robot, one new productivity update, and suddenly millions of jobs Americans relied on for decades began to melt away. And the crazy part? This is only the beginning. Right now, most Americans feel something changing. Some call it innovation. Others call it a threat. But no matter the label, the numbers paint a clear picture. Automation isn't coming for the future. It's already inside the building. Retail cashiers, going fast, truck drivers, on the edge, customer service, already replaced by chatbots that never sleep, never complain, and never ask for health insurance. For the first time in generations, Americans are asking a new question. If AI does the work, what are humans supposed to do? What Americans feel right now? Polls show nearly 2/3 of young Americans worry I will wipe out the jobs they were raised to pursue. College students are wondering if their degrees still matter. Parents are wondering what jobs their kids should prepare for. And older workers, many feel like they're being replaced faster than they can learn the software meant to help them. This isn't fear of the unknown. This is fear of the obvious. America 2035. A look ahead, so let's jump forward. Picture America in 2035. Self-driving trucks rule the highways. Warehouses hum with robots that don't even need lights. Restaurants use AI cooks that never burn a burger. Even creative jobs, writing, animation, design, now have AI co-workers who can finish in seconds what humans need hours for. And the US job market. It's split in two. Jobs where humans tell AI what to do, and in jobs where AI tells humans what to do. Most Americans land somewhere in the middle. Part-time gigs, remote tasks, algorithm-approved shifts, and digital side jobs that feel more like subscriptions than careers. The new American dream. But here's the twist. The story isn't all doom. When machines take over the repetitive work, people suddenly have room for something America hasn't had in decades. Opportunity. New jobs emerge from nowhere. AI supervisors, prompt designers, robot maintenance techs, virtual reality educators, personal AI stylists, and digital storefront creators. Whole industries appear overnight. Old ones collapse just as fast. It's messy. It's chaotic. It's pure America. The real future of work. But here's the truth hidden beneath all the headlines. AI isn't here to take every job. It's here to change every job, every industry, every paycheck, every life. And America, chaotic, inventive, unpredictable America, is about to enter a new era where success won't belong to the strongest or the smartest. It'll belong to the most adaptable. So what does the future of work in America actually look like? More automation, more uncertainty, more opportunity, and more moments where humans and machines have to figure out who's really in charge. The American dream isn't disappearing. It's being rewritten, right now, in real time. And whether we're ready or not, the future has already clocked in.